information for
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Love County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, east central Clay County in northern Texas until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles northeast of Grady to 3 miles northwest of Terrell, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lone Grove, Hedden, Wilson, Ringling, Ryan, Terrell, Sugden, Graham, Riverton, Grady, Milo, Oster, Cornish, Courtney, and Petersburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.